Bitcoin SV value equivalent to 664.97 rands a coin. The present cost range, 662.80 to 671.98. The earlier day close, 668.89. The change was 3.92, 0.59%. Reverse rate, ZAR to BSV. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 681 rands, high 729, low 633. Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 671 rands, high 718, low 624. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 683 rands, high 731, low 635. Bitcoin SV figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 671 rands, high 718, low 624. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 680 rands, high 728, low 632. In multi-week Bitcoin SV figure on Monday, April 24, cost 691 rands, high 739, low 643. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 697 rands, high 746, low 648. Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 702 rands, high 751, low 653. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 691 rands, high 739, low 643. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, April 28, cost 681 rands, high 729, low 633. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 698 rands, high 747, low 649. Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 697 rands, high 746, low 648. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 696 rands, high 745, low 647. Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 679 rands, high 727, low 631. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 685 rands, high 733, low 637. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 696 rands, high 745, low 647. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 683 rands, high 731, low 635. Bitcoin SV gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 683 rands, high 731, low 635. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 685 rands, high 733, low 637. Bitcoin SV gauge on Friday, May 12, cost 660 rands, high 706, low 614. In about a month Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 669 rands, high 716, low 622. Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 673 rands, high 720, low 626. Bitcoin SV value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 643 rands, exorbitant cost 751, while low cost 624. Found the middle value of cost 675. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end 681, change for April 5.9%. Bitcoin SV estimate for May 2023. To start with cost at 681 rands, exorbitant cost 747, while low cost 614. Found the middle value of cost 684. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end 692, change for May 1.6%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 692 rands, excessive cost 692, while low cost 547. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 630. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 588, change for June 15.0%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 588 rands, excessive cost 639, while low cost 555. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 595. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 597, change for July 1st 0.5%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 597 rands, excessive cost 682, while low cost 592. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 627. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 637, change for August 6.7%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 637 rands, excessive cost 654, while low cost 568. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 618. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 611, change for September 4.1%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 611 rands, excessive cost 611, while low cost 477. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 553. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end 513, change for October 16.0%. Bitcoin SV figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 513 rands, excessive cost 541, while low cost 471. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 508. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end 506, change for November 1.4%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 506 rands, excessive cost 541, while low cost 471. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 506. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end 506, change for December 0.0%. Bitcoin SV figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 506 rands, excessive cost 506, while low cost 412. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 467. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 443, change for January 12.5%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 443 rands, exorbitant cost 533, while low cost 443. Found the middle value of cost 479. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 498, change for February 12.4%. Bitcoin SV gauge for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 498 rands, exorbitant cost 569, while low cost 495. Found the middle value of cost 524. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 532, change for spring 6.8%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 532 rands, exorbitant cost 532, while low cost 416. Found the middle value of cost 482. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 447, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to BSV swapping scale equivalent to 0.1504 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.1488-0.1509. The earlier days nearby 0.1495. Change for now plus 0.00.